How to make a job aid. Your last project of the year will be making a job aid to help other students find their way onto my.sandi.net. Whenever you make a file in a netbook, it's actually available online in the district at my.sandi.net. This is how you can get to your stuff from anywhere, anytime. So, making a job aid is simply a set of directions, clear directions. Think of all the critical steps by step. You don't want to make it more complicated than it has to be, but you don't want the user to not be able to have to figure out something you didn't cover. I'm not going to tell you a whole lot of details about this. I want to see how you come up with it. Here's the essentials. You need to start with the Word document. It needs to be My Files Online. You can leave out the job aid. I'll give you saving information for that in a minute. You need directions like open a browser and go to my.sandi.net. Pretty simple. Now, pictures are going to be really important. If you try to do this with words, it's really difficult. So you can always do a screen capture, Command-Shift-4. There's my cursor. If you're doing this on PCs, there's a clip tool in that too, works the same way. I save it, go back to Word, and I'm going to insert a picture. There are other ways to do this. This is just my old-fashioned way. Insert from File. I save mine on Dropbox. It's a great program. I recommend you do that. All my screenshots go there automatically. I can get to them from any computer. And insert the picture. Now, this picture is set by default a certain way. If I continue typing, it just treats it like a piece of text. And that's not always what we want. So right now I'm going to click on the picture, format the picture, and here under layout you see different options. It can be in line with the text, which it is right now. It's essentially one large character, one letter. You can make it square so the text wraps around it. You can make it tight so it follows the form if this is not a rectangle. You can put it behind the text, or I usually like in front of the text. You can play with it, make it whatever you want. Also here under Advanced, there's the option of moving the object with the text. So if you add more text, the object will move. I usually turn this off. You can do whatever you need. Now, I can move this around any way I want. Now the text is getting in the way, so maybe I want to go back to tight wrap, format, layout, make it tight. How about square? There you go. So you play with that any way you want. Other things that make this look better, a line around the edge, just a simple thin line, and a shadow can really make things pop. It's not just white space. So what you need to do is come up with all the directions for a student to do these basic tasks. Oops. How to log on to my.sandi.net, how to find your files, and how to log out. One more, oh yes, very important. How to upload files. So once you've got this all worked out in a Word document, make it as small as you can. I don't think you're going to fit this on one page. Two would be ambitious. Make sure it's clear, share with other students. You may need to struggle to find out how to do all these things. And when you're finally done, you save it, and then I want you to turn it into a PDF. To do that, you print to the PDF, do Command-P, and right down here at the bottom, it says Save as PDF. So I'm going to save this in my folder, and the same place I'm starting it. So I have the Word document there, only now it's turning it into a PDF. And it's the PDF that you will share. You don't want to share Word documents with other people. They can change them, and not everybody can read Word. So good luck. Talk to each other. There will be a discussion board I'll make if you want to share information that way. And let's see what you can come up with here.